give due recognition to a year of discipline and perseverance, I am honored to present to you the recipients of the Brother Rafael Donato FSC General Excellence Awards. With certificates, Gabriel Marcos S. Villaruz. Johan Mackenzie J. Castillo. Matthew Gerard C. Abellera. Oscar V. Ilagan IV.